Hello students, welcome to experiment number 5. So the experiment name is build and demonstrate an Arduino LED blinking activity using Arduino IDE. Previously by using Tinkercad we are showing LED blinking activity. Now we are doing on kit. The objective of experiment is to construct simple LED blinking circuit using Arduino Uno and program using Arduino IDE, which is already installed in my laptop, to understand digital output, pin control and basic embedded programming. So these three things we have to look at. The background theory of this LED blinking is the blinking LED is considered the hello world of embedded system, which demonstrate digital input output, timing and loop execution. The Arduino Uno, it is an open source microcontroller board, so based on AT-MEGA328P, which contains digital input output pin, analog inputs, USB interface and flash memory. So this already we have seen in previous experiments. So here while going for coding key functions of IDE, we are giving setup with open bracket that initialize the pin and setting. So this will run only one time. Whereas our program, it need to run continuously. Blink on off. Suppose if you are setting 1 second for on off, so that need to be work continuously. Suppose if you are using setup open, it will run only once. That's all. Now the pin model, we have to set input or output. Then digital write, we are setting pin voltage to high or low. Then delay, here we are giving delay how much milliseconds. This data already you seen previously. Coming to apparatus required, here Arduino Uno board, USB type B cable. This is used to connect our the whole prototype with the laptop. Then LED, a resistor 220 ohm, then breadboard, jumper wire, PC with Arduino IDE. Already same laptop we have our Arduino IDE already we uploaded and it is ready. Next I am coming for circuit connection, how to give. So first you place LED on the breadboard, so that anode connect with the digital pin 9. So whereas in video we given 13 in place of 9, you can give it any number, and connect the cathode short leg to the end of 220 ohm resistor. From 220 ohm resistor we have to give ground, from ground to Arduino ground we have to give. Next, this already we have seen. In observation table what we are going to see is pin number used. So already I said you change it as a 13. On time duration 1 second, off time duration 1 second. LED status blinks continuously. That means we are giving loop status, therefore it will continue. So initially we are setting for LED turns on for 1 second and off for 1 second. This process will be repeatedly happening. Finally, the result, a basic LED blinking circuit was successfully built and programmed using Arduino Uno and Arduino IDE, demonstrating digital output control, basic timing in embedded system. So next we are going to this Tinkercad diagram. So Tinkercad diagram previously we given Tinkercad diagram already we explained. Just to look at the coding, void setup with open bracket. Pin mode, here we are giving which pin we are giving here. Here we given 13. Similarly, digital write 13 high voltage, digital write 13 at low voltage. So both on or off we are giving 1000 millisecond, that is 1 second. We are closing our program. So this code we will close. Just to look at the simulation. So LED negative end is connected ground, from ground to microcontroller that Arduino Uno's ground. Resistor, one end is connected with LED positive, another end is connected with pin 13. So we are connecting here. From here connect through jumper wire we are connecting pin 13. So this, if you start simulation, we will get it 1 second on, 1 second off, right? And similarly the Arduino Uno, this is the Arduino Uno software. Here we are going to connect to our laptop, which is clearly shown in video, which is coming next time. So here we are giving coding, same coding what I showed, right? We are giving 1 and 1 here. So here we have to change. Suppose we given lighting for 2 times, off for 1 second, 2 seconds and off for 1 second. Like that we have to change, and we can check the function of LED blinking activity.